Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I will guide you how to convert the quality of the red group to green. Your group status has been downgraded to red quality level. This is one of the reasons why your group was suspended. That's also why Master the Meta made this video. Let's solve this problem together. Please go to the comments or description to access the link to the extension. Next, download the extension. Next, go to your browser's extension manager. Once in the extension manager, enable developer mode. Next, open the file you just downloaded. Right-click on the extension and select WinRAR, then select Extract here. Wait a moment and a file will appear. Add extension to browser as in video. Now open the extension. You can see the extension is linked to Facebook Appeals category. Step 1. Enter your Facebook group link in the first box. Then enter your profile link in the second box. Note you must be an administrator of the group. In the third box, paste the text I prepared for you. Note, edit according to your information. Finally, add a screenshot of the error you are getting. Click Send. Now, you wait about 1 to 2 hours and then go back to the group. You will see the group quality is restored. Note, if it fails, try again after 1 to 2 hours and it will succeed, because at the time you do it, there may be many people using the extension, which will cause system congestion. During this process, please do not use other extensions to avoid conflicts. You can see my group quality has been restored successfully. Master the Meta's video tutorial on how to convert the quality of the red group to green.